Alright, YouTube, we back at it again. Today we're gonna do something different. Now, the last video, one of the videos I did the front motor mount. So today we're gonna do the rear motor mounts. All right. So those right there are the front motor mounts that I did myself, right on the bottom there. So the rear motor mounts back here. The only reason why I'm changing when I changed the front, they got the back shaking real wild. So we're gonna change the back out today. And these are the backs here. These are the rear motor mounts. So you pretty much gonna come with the hardware, 2 bolts, the nuts and everything. You'll need a 30-inch socket or 30-inch wrench to get those off. It'll come with 2 sleeves. It's also gonna come with top mount, 2 bottom mounts. All right, so, and this little plastic sleeve plate. I gotta figure out what this for first time I'm doing it. So, all right, let's get to it. Let's make it happen. So right now, I just got to sit right here trying to get that bottle jack on right here. So once I get the bottle jack on, and also you're gonna need a 30mm wrench or socket. So we're gonna go with the Milwaukee gun and get everything off. All right, let's get it. And also make sure you get some gargles. I gotta put some gargles on. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do this, and we're gonna do it on time lapse so I can get this over with. I'll just slow it down when I can.